Hi guys, today I'm gonna be trying this cough thingy majingy. I'm trying it out because my cough is bad, like, and yeah. So here, there, and my friend is so sad. You're gonna see me react to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, it's strong. It's like minty and yummy at the same time. So, yeah. If I film the rest, it will take really long to upload. So bye, because I don't have time to do this, and I don't want you looking at me trying to dissolve this candy in my mouth. So bye, love you all.